All right, it's Monday, January 15th, 2024, doing 5 trades for my 20 trade challenge. So I've done 10 thus far, so I'll do another 5 today. And so with that being said, right now I'm on the 20-minute time frame, just capturing this trend as well as the level for it, which I haven't marked. So with that being said, and just to get an idea of the overall trend, I'm still looking at the 3-hour here and waiting for price to give me the drop that I'm looking for. Right now I still have low volume, I have divergence, so the consolidation could potentially continue for a bit. The consolidation actually began on a Wednesday, and it's been consolidating for looks like a few weeks. So anyways, that being said, dropping down to the 20-minute, and I've captured this trend here. I did leave this particular trend in place just to document that I had the 6-minute trend as well as the impetus for it here, price retracing, and at this moment currently retesting it. I did have a lower time frame trend as well on here, and price actually I think it was 3 minutes, something of the sort, and the zone for it was here. So price did break and then retest it here before pushing up. So now that I have that in place, I'm going to go ahead and remove that trend line. And so again, being on the 20-minute, what I'm also looking at is I do have divergence with the higher highs being made. There is a loss of volume. Also, I do have some star patterns here, so a evening star type like pattern here, as well as one currently right here, as well as here. So with that in place, and then I have this higher zone documented as well, where there's another pattern of some sort far left. So that being said, I dropped down. So everything right now is currently bullish, however with low volume. So dropping down to the 1-minute time frame, and what I identify here, I do see a 1-minute trend, the impetus being here for price has broken through it, and it gave the retest right here. So I am just going to wait for some additional confluences. I'm going to go back up to the 20 and play some candles. Alright, so I did post a video in hopes to shorten all of my pauses and thought process, or just pauses if you will. So with that being said, as you see all of the wicks here, it was just very interesting to see as the candles were printing. It was given a super large candle before turning into primarily a wick. So anyways, price has broken through the trend line here, has given me the CJ arrow, price being below the moving averages. It has even broken my 20-minute impetus, like with a strong candle as well. I do have the break of the MACD. I still have a little bit of volume here, and I'm also overextended here on the stochastic. So this may be potentially what I need for a position to be placed. So an area to be concerned about is I do see to the left I have all of this area of consolidation in place. So just to capture it, maybe, I don't know, there's a lot here. So I'm definitely getting some type of reaction right here. So price has given me that. So I'm going to let it play out and give me a retest and then go from there. Alright, so after playing a few candles, what I'm identifying again, price is playing in this area where I had marked, and I'm looking at the engulfing candles here as well as here the bearish, and so there's a lot of bearish activity going on, as well as still having it went from having low volume to now it's bullish volume to now it is completely bearish, and also having the overextension crossing back into this zone here. So with that being said, let's see, I didn't quite get the retest yet, or maybe just this pullback is it. Unsure about that, but with that being said, I'm going to drop the time frame to see what it looks like. And again, looking for the bearish move, so to get the right time frame for here, alright, so what I've done here is I began to capture or trap this particular trend right here, which ends up being a 3-minute, and the impetus being here for price thus far has pulled back and hasn't broken above this particular structure. So I still have the, and actually this is 2 minutes, not 3, so I still have the bias that it is going to sell. I do have a decrease of volume, so I'm wondering if this pullback is potentially over. I think it is. I think it is over. So yeah, that happened. Price broke through, retested. If I had a zone right here, it retested right here and pushing down. So I would take a sell position right here. And actually, before I hit the play button, price is actually currently right here. So I want to look at one more candle before entering the market. So, and so it has closed not quite below that low yet. I'm looking at this, what would this be, like a morning star, I think. So price hasn't closed below it. So, all right, I'm gonna go in for a sell now.